So this is my SMK helmet over here. Good morning lovely people, I hope everybody is doing great. The time is around 10:10. My name is Kurshed and welcome back to my channel. So just now I'm getting ready to go to Vapi because I need to buy a couple of spare visors for my SMK helmet. The stock visor of the helmet is completely broken from one side, so I was thinking of going there and buy a couple of spare visors so that they will be handy in future. I tried to order the visor online but the visor is not available, and last year I had bought this helmet from the same shop where I'm going today. So I'll get ready and see you straight on the bike. So this is my SMK helmet over here. और यहाँ पे एक लैच जैसा रहता है, वो अंदर से टूट गया है. The helmet is working fine for now because I've done some DIY to fix the problem, but I don't want to take a chance in future. If I go for a long rides, it might give some problems. So guys, today is Wednesday और अभी बज रहे 10:30. मुझे रेडी होते होते 10:30 बज गए and I'm off to Vapi to buy a couple of spare visors for my SMK helmet. So वापी पहुंचने से पहले पेट्रोल भरवाना पड़ेगा बिकॉज बाइक माइट रन आउट ऑफ फ्यूल. सो ढानू में जितने भी पेट्रोल पंप है, ऑल ऑफ देम आर ऑन द ईस्ट साइड. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड. आई ऑलवेज फ्यूल अप फ्रॉम द थर्ड पेट्रोल पंप, विच इज दिस वन ऑन माई लेफ्ट. सो ढानू में पेट्रोल का प्राइस चल रहा है 121 रुपीज़ पर लीटर. क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव. 7 लीटर नाक नहीं, 7 लीटर नाक 7 747. कार्ड लेने कार्ड. So guys, today is going to be a very simple ride. It's going to take me around 1 hour and 15 minutes to reach to the shop. So the total distance between Dhanu and today's destination Vapi is around 65 kilometers one way. So those guys who are not aware, I live in Dhanu. और वापी जाने के लिए there are 3 options, there are 3 routes. I could have taken the coastal route, secondly the Dhanu Dhundalwadi route, and lastly Dhanu Charoti route. And today I'm going to take the second option, the second route, the Dhanu Dhundalwadi route, which connects the NH48 highway. So just now I'm on the Dhanu Jawahar road. This is the road that connects NH48 highway. This is the road that connects Charoti, and it also connects to places like Jawahar. That's why it is called the Dhanu Jawahar road. So आगे एक 10 मिनट में आशागढ़ आएगा. आशागढ़ इज़ अ स्मॉल विलेज. आशागढ़ नाका से मुझे लेफ़्ट लेना है. GoPro में कुछ अजीब सा इशू आ रहा है. It's not recording when I am pressing the record button. Instead of recording, it is powering off. तो अभी मैंने साइड में गाड़ी लगा के GoPro को चेक किया और वापस रीसेट किया है. Hopefully it should be recording okay now. This is one of my favorite bougainvillea tree on the right. It is always in full bloom. So guys, I have reached the Dhundalwadi NH48 Naka now. I have to take a left from here. Left turn is for going towards Gujarat and right turn is for going towards Bombay. So guys, here I am back on the NH48 highway after a gap of about 2 months. So यहाँ पे I am crossing over the Maharashtra-Gujarat border. I suppose that's the windmill engine loaded on the truck ahead of me. तो गाइस अभी मुझे प्रॉपर समर हीट फील हो रहा है. गर्मी काफ़ी बढ़ गई है. And I can also feel the bike's heat around my legs. My goodness, यहाँ पे तो काफ़ी लंबा जाम लगा है. Thankfully ये सर्विस रोड पे गाड़ी चल रहा है. So my friends, this is all part and parcel of the adventure. वो राइड ही क्या राइड है जिसमें एडवेंचर ना हो. So I'm going to the shop called Monks on Machine. I know the address, I know the location very well. That's why I'm not going to use any Google Maps. So here I am, finally reached the store. I'll park the bike in the shade a little bit.
તમે એવું કઈ બી લેવું હોય ને એકવાર ખાલી કોન્ટેક્ટ કરો, ખાલી પૂછો. તમે જ્યારે ત્યાં કરે છો ને પછી જોઈને કરજો તો વધારે સારું. है ना इधर
राइडिंग गियर्स भाई ट्राई करके
बाहर तो ट्राई करके ही देखना पड़ेगा वो तो.
क्योंकि ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहता है पहली.
So यहाँ पे है Mr. Hitesh. He is the shop
Hello.
owner. If you all need anything, you all can contact him. I'll leave the link in the description. So friends, the time is around 12:25. I am leaving from Mount Sun Machine. I've got the helmet visor replaced. Or I'll be going towards Vapi Naka and have some lunch. That's the hotel I was talking about. बाइक को बाहर ही पार्क करना होगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे पार्किंग का स्पेस काफ़ी लिमिटेड है. I'll see if I can park the bike in shade. यहीं पे पार्क कर देता हूँ. तो गाइस अभी मैं लंच कर लेता हूँ, मिलते हैं थोड़ी देर में. तो फ्रेंड्स टाइम हो गया 1:10. लंच में मैंने पंजाबी थाली ऑर्डर की थी. द लंच वॉज वेरी गुड. और यहाँ ब्रिज के नीचे से मुझे राइट लेना है. So here I am friends, back in Maharashtra. यहाँ पे वो पानी पीने के लिए अच्छे पॉट्स मिलते हैं ठंडे, जिसमें पानी ठंडा रहता है. I feel I should have gone to Vapi in the evening because the temperature in the evening is quite low compared to what it is just now. आगे से लेफ़्ट लेना है ब्रिज के नीचे से एक, फिर आगे राइट टर्न लेना होगा. और अभी ये राइट लेना है. So I'm going home by the same route that I came from. So overall this road saves about 30 kilometers two ways compared to the Dahanu Charoti route. सो गाइस यहाँ से मेरा घर जो है केवल 5 मिनट की दूरी पर है. So I have reached home now. So guys, the time is around 2:30 and I reached home. It was a very short and simple ride to Vapi and back. I'm going to end this video over here. If you all like this video, then please give it a big like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.